Start by switching the main power button on the battery to 1. Then hold the power button on the control unit for 3 seconds until you see the startup screen. The battery voltage is displayed in the top right corner. A 52-volt battery will be 58.8 volts when fully charged. To change the information at the bottom of the screen, click the Mode button. To change your level of assist, use the plus and minus buttons. To reset your trip distance or trip time, hold the plus and minus button for 3 seconds. To change the clock, double-click the Mode button to bring up the settings, and use plus and minus buttons to navigate up and down, and the Mode button to select. Having a hard time catching up to your dad? Try using the throttle, you dummy. Check that your charger has the proper 58.8 volt output and that the charge setting is on 100%. The light on the charger will show green if the charger is not plugged into the battery. Depending on the amperage of your charger, your battery will fully charge in 2 to 6 hours. Once the battery is fully charged, the LED light will turn green. To remove your battery, unlock the key and push firmly from the front of the battery. When reinstalling the battery, make sure your latch is lined up properly. Give the battery a firm wiggle to make sure it's in place. The most common problems to troubleshoot come from the speed sensor. If your speed isn't reading, just make sure your magnet is lined up with the speed sensor and check all your connections. From all of us at AngleTech, thanks for watching.